Good morning, traders. Richard and a quick Ichimoku cloud chart review and artificial intelligence trading review of Micron MU.O is the ticker on the Metastock platform. We used the Fulgent AI engine, the volatility breakout signal particularly. And this AI does create quite a lot of nice volatility breakout signals. On Micron, for example, yeah, we had a beautiful cloud chart rebound from support as well as a volatility breakout signal. So both these two trades are profitable, 25% for that one, 39% for that one. Now note that the AI does adjust its own trading stop loss there. So we can see that level is the Fulgent AI stop loss. If I can just get that thing to, there we go. 408, you can have a tighter one, but that's the stop loss, volatility adjusted trading stop loss. Now MU Micron is looking like it's doing a double bottom base, ready to get a breakout past these highs. If it can get it, tried to break out there but still failed a little bit there. So the top end of the cloud is a key support zone, so you can see any kind of pullback to these support levels can be seen as another entry point. But so far so good. Great rebound rally trade from a cloud chart support zone together with a volatility breakout signal, as well as there's a secondary buy signal there. That low there as the cloud chart test, there was another trade. So we literally had about 3 or 4 trades on Micron MU using Ichimoku Cloud and volatility breakout signals. Now let's just take a look at the fundamentals a little bit, quantimental so to speak. Looking at StarMine models, very highly ranking here, bullish valuation momentum scores in the top 10% of the market. These are percentile rankings. Price momentum scores very high, 100 percentile ranking there, so we should expect some positive price momentum coming through. The analyst revision score, analysts are upgrading their numbers. Favorable, very favorable ranking on an intrinsic valuation basis, as well as smart holdings are the smartest fund managers out there accumulating the stock. The other thing I like is the earnings quality ranks the top 10% in the market. If you go and drill deep into the income statement and balance sheet and see what drives the company's earnings, and there are some really good factors within that model, and gives you comfort that the stock's got a good quality of earnings. Credit risk is low there. I can see the combined credit risk ranking is still green there, 86 percentile ranking, so that's looking good. Valuation's not looking too bad either there. On a PE and EV to EBITDA ratio basis, insider selling is remains in the back of your mind as a concern there, and it's not an M&A target model at this point in time. The ranking is in the bottom 10% of the market there. But so far so good. Very good StarMine ranking scores there. Do expect the earnings to come out on the 23rd of June. Predicted surprise is a slight beat on the earnings and a slight miss on the revenue there, so it'll be interesting to see if that comes through. The predicted surprise by StarMine is where we track the most accurate analysts, the consistently most accurate analysts, and we follow those kind of recommendations or earning guidance. But these are the figures for the coming June 2026 quarter. But so far so good. Let's go back to the chart. Beautiful rebound rally there. Need to see a breakout past these old highs here. The top end of the cloud is a significant support zone, so any kind of weakness to when it snaps back to these levels can be seen as additional entry points, but watching very closely to see if it's going to break out of this double bottom base. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cloud chart and AI trading. Bye for now.